AI-powered marketing for carpet and duct cleaning businesses. How AI can double your booking for carpet and duct cleaning service. You provide the best cleaning service, but if your customers can't find you, they'll book with someone else. The secret is AI-driven local marketing that makes sure your business is the first choice. How AI brings more cleaning jobs. AI optimized Google My Business. So AI boosts your local rankings, put you on Google's first page. AI-powered Facebook and Google Ads shows ads only to the homeowners searching for cleaning services. Automated seasonal promotions. AI detects peak cleaning times and runs promotions automatically. AI chatbots and instant quotes. Customer get a price quote and book your service in seconds. Take action today. AI is already helping a lot of cleaning businesses doubling their bookings. Are you ready to dominate your city? Let's make it happen. Book a free strategy call at www.linkbufferstudios.com. See you soon.